What's going on, everybody? Let's take a look at a little stock that I'm thinking about possibly swing trading. If you've been following me for a while, if you're a part of my Discord community, which is the link is down in the description box below. If you know the way that I trade, which my website is down below in the description box. If you've been following my channel for a while now, you know predominantly I am an options trader as well as a scalper slash day trader. I rarely swing trade, but Mvis, Microvision, I've traded it in the past before. It's had some good run-ups into the 20s, $25, even 16, 18. It's had some good run-ups before. This stock has absolutely been beaten down. Earnings report came out 4 days ago, sold off, gap down. Looks like we found the bottom. If I was watching it more actively, maybe I would have picked it up off this $6.92 range. Company has been reporting earnings the last 2-3 quarters, and the earnings are not there. They don't have the contracts yet. They're not ready yet. Okay. It's still a fairly new company. Maybe they're looking to be acquired. Maybe they're looking to be, merged. Something's got to give with this stock. However, I know that if momentum builds up behind it, this stock can also run very, very quickly. So here's what I do like. Ever since coming off of those lows on earnings, we have reclaimed the 5-day moving average. We have reclaimed the 10-day moving average. Today, we touched the middle Bollinger Band as well as the 20-day moving average. If you are a part of Evolution Traders, you know for a fact that sentiment underneath the 50-day moving average is bearish. You know that the 10-day moving average for a day trade and a swing trade is the birth of the trade. What I mean by that is normally once we start reclaiming that 10-day moving average, we start the birth of the trade, meaning we start a little bit of momentum going higher. Now, if that 10-day moving average is below the 50-day, we've got a lot of work to do. If it's above the 50-day, I feel a lot more confident in swing trading the stock. Now, I'm not going to say that I'm going to wait for it to get to the 50-day moving average, but depending on your account size, depending on, what your bankroll is, my account is over the PDT, meaning that I have over $25,000 in my account to day trade with. So automatically with just that information given, that I have at least $100,000 worth of buying power intraday to day trade with. Now, my account is larger than that. So here's what I think. I'm thinking about buying 100 shares. I know it's not much. It's a very, very small starter position, but maybe 100 shares, $900 investment, because of the fact that we are above the 5 and the 10-day moving average and we touched the 20-day. So what I'm looking at here is this $9.32 area. If we can close over this $9.32 area, now, mind you, the IWM, the small caps, the meme stocks, these guys are starting to take off. Tech is looking like absurdly strong. Amazon has had a bounce off of earnings. Apple, their earnings report gap down has gotten eaten up. Tesla has been strong for over 45 days. Netflix is waking up. Zoom looks like it's ready to break out. The triple Qs are at all-time highs. Can the IWM continue to run, and can we have potentially a little bit of room here in this Mvis Microvision to get going here? I'm not looking for a 100-point move. I'm not looking for a 10-point move. I'm looking for maybe 1-2 points over the course of the next 30 to 60 days. If I can double my money, okay, meaning that if I put $900 into this stock, if I can make $900, $2,000 within the next 30 to 60 days, for me, that's a win-win. Okay, so if we get over this $9.32 area, we do have room to the upper Bollinger Band here at around 1046. That would put me at a double of investment, meaning that $900 in is going to net me $900 in profits. So let's see what the price action opens up tomorrow. Today it was only up 26%. Again, this is a very small stock. That's 3% of the actual total move. Very small stock here. $900 in is not too much of a big investment. If we do go down to $8, $7, you know, I'm only down 900, you know, $1,000 or so. Not saying that I want to be down that much. No one ever wants to be down, but I mean, this stock has been getting beat up since about September the 7th. Ever since September the 7th, it's just been on a month downward trend here. And I'm looking at this to be a little bit of a bounce spot, a little bit of a reversal here. So over $9.32, I'm looking to swing trade this possibly 30 days, possibly 60 days into that $10 area. Who knows, maybe back to the 50-day moving average of $11.49. That would put me up 2x my money. So that would put me up about $1,500 to $1,700 on this actual play, depending on how it moves. Let's watch MVIS over 932. I'm thinking about starting a swing position in this. I am not a financial advisor. I'm just a day trader. I've been doing this for 5 years. I'm a technical trader. I'm not too much fundamental based. So I'm not going to look into the earnings too much. I'm not going to look at what the projections is for the next 5 to 10 years. What I'm looking at is technicals, and what I'm looking at is 30 to 60 days. And what I see here is potentially a possibility to double my money on a very, 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 very small position of around 100 to 200 shares. That's what I'm looking to do. Guys, I do have a Discord. Great group of traders, very, very small community, tight knit. It's free. I also do have a paid option of that Discord. I do have a website. I do also have a trading course. I got a lot of stuff under my belt. Been trading for 5 years. I am not an expert. Okay. I'm not going to sit here and say that I've been trading for 30, 40 years. I'm not going to say that I've been trading in, you know, through any kind of depression, recession, major market crash. I haven't. I've been extremely, extremely blessed to be a part of one of the best bull markets that we've had in a very, very long time. Okay. 2020 was phenomenal. A lot of people doubled, tripled, quadrupled their accounts in 2020. A lot of people got started in 2020, and a lot of people have just made an absurd amount of money. So we have been extremely, extremely blessed. But please do me a favor, like this video.
To your Wi-Fi network. You can find setup instructions in the help section of your Alexa app.
Thank you, Alexa. Thank you. What I am looking for here is to trade this over.
Connect to your Wi-Fi network. You can find setup instructions in the help section of your Alexa app.
Okay. What I'm looking here to do is trade this over 932. Let's see if we can confirm today's price action and then go from there. I think this is going to be a fun little play. I think this is going to be a fun little stock to kind of watch. Let's keep it on watch. I will see you guys all in Discord. And if not, I will see you guys all in the next YouTube video.